Nature cure is an art and science of healthy living and drugless system of healing based on well-founded philosophy. It has its own concept of health and disease and also principles of treatment. Nature care is a very old science. We can find a number of references in your Veds and others ancient texts. The Mullaids matter theory, concept of vital force, and other concepts can upon which nature care is based are already available in old texts, which indicate that their medical research are widely practiced in ancient India. The fundamental difference of nature care with other systems is that its theory and practical are basis of holistic view points, whereas the latter approach in specifics. Nature care does not believe in the specialist cause of the disease and its specific treatment, but take into account the totality of factors responsibility for disease, such as on a unnatural habits in living, thinking, working, sleeping, relaxing, sexuality, individuality, and also considers the environmental factors involved which on the will disturb of the normal functioning of the body and lead it to a morbid, weak, and toxic state. For treatment, it primarily stress to current all the factors involved and follow the body to recover itself. The nature care physician help in nature's effect in overcome disease, any applying currents, natural modalities, and conducting the natural force to work into safe limit. The survival of nature care start in India by translations of Louis Kuhn books, The New Science of Healing. Sri D. Venkat Chelampati Sharma translate the books in Telugu language in about 1894. Sri Jyoti Kishan Swarup of Bijnor translate this book into Hindi and Urdu language in 1940. This gives a wide preparation of this system. Gandhiji was influenced by the books Return to Nature, written by Adolph Just, and became a firm believer of naturopathy. He only wrote several articles in favor of naturopathy in this newspaper, Harijan, but did it several experiments, took up himself and these family members and on the member of his ashram. Gandhiji used to stay at the nature cure clinic of Dr. Desau Mehta, situated in Pune during 1934 to 1944. In this memory, the Government of India established National Institute of Naturopathy in 1986 at that place, Bapu Bhavan, Talivana Road, Pune, which is rescinding multiplied service. Gandhiji included it in this constructions program. Due to influence of Gandhiji, several national leaders joined this minority health movement. The name of ex-Prime Minister Sri Morarji Desai, ex-Government of Gujarat Sri Srimang Swamiji, ex-President Sri B.B. Giriji, Acharya Vinoda Bhave and Ma and Sri Balkova Bhave need a special maintain in this regard. In the nature cure movement start mainly in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bengal, Maharashtra and Gujarat etc. Naturopath who foundation work to revival of naturopathy in different states are Dr. Mahavir Prasad Podar, Dr. Janki Sharan Verma, Sri Sharan Prasad, Dr. Khushi Ram Dilkase, Dr. S.L. Sinne, Dr. Hiralal, Dr. Bithal Das Modi, Dr. Kulranjan Mukherjee, Dr. Sukhram Das, Dr. J.M. Jaswala, Dr. M.M. Barnwala, Dr. Begi Raju Krishnan, Raju, Dr. N. Nilekot, as Dr. B. Vijay Lakshmi, Dr. Ganga Prasad Gaur, Nihar, Sri Dharam Chandra Sargwati, Dr. Sukhdev Singh Rawat, Acharya K. Lakshman Sharma etc. Being alkaline, these here is maybe also be maintained the modern nature care movement as start in Germany and other Western community which water cure, hydrotherapy, water cure has been synonymous with the nature care in these early days. The credit of making water care could famous good to Vincent Primelich 1799 or 1851 was a farmer. Later on, others also made their constitutional work. The name of Louis Kuhne of Germany needs a special maintain who found the principle of unity of disease and treatment and provide a theoretical base of the treatment method. The book New Science of Healing, written by him, has been translated into numerical language of the world. The name of Dr. Henry Klinder, Dr. J.S. Kellos, Amod Elot, Dr. D.D. Palmer, Roller, E.D. Bortix, Borna, Magnaxa, Arnold Rixey, J.K. Tilly, Father Knips, Bentix, Lost, Stanley Leaf, and Henry Benjamin, etc. may also be maintained among of her who had their share of contributions to the development of naturopathy. As of today, naturopathy is accepted as an important system of treatment by all a number of college affiliation to university are importing etc. 5.5 years degree course leading to degree of Bachelor of Naturopathy or Yogic Science BNYS. ओम शांति। अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।